Hi there, welcome back to another lesson. Today we are talking about how you can purchase SSL or how you can install SSL in your WordPress website or any kind of website. So let's talk about it. So basically we have already learned about how you can connect your domain with the hosting. Now it's time for us to install a SSL. Now when you should do the SSL installation, so this is really important question, and this is also a really important step that you need to do. So the first thing that you need to do is like buy the domain and domain name and hosting. Then you need to connect the domain name with the hosting using the DNS, and the third step should be installing the SSL certificate. After that you should start your like WordPress installation, and there will be more steps that are there in that I am going to share in the next videos. So just don't rush out after watching this video, or like start your WordPress installation right now. So make sure you install the SSL certificate first, then you like create the WordPress installation. So right now I am using Fast Commit, and Fast Commit comes with the free SSL certificate, which you can just go and search for, like here, Let's Encrypt. Also in a lot of cases you will be able to like get free SSL certificate from almost any type of hosting providers. Nowadays you will always get a SSL certificate. So right now, because they are giving you a direct option here to install SSL certificate, so I will prefer going for that one. And I already have a few videos on YouTube that I'm going to share, where you can see like how you can install SSL certificate if you don't have such options. And also if you want to use Cloudflare, in that case also I am going to share a additional video later in the bonus section about Cloudflare as well. So make sure you wait for that. So right now we are just going to use this Let's Encrypt option, and that is what we normally do as well to get a free SSL certificate. Now let's talk about like what is the difference between free SSL certificate and paid SSL certificate. So basically guys, just take an example of a lock. You have like very simple locks, very small locks, as well as like very bigger locks, and like multiple keys. They have multiple keys, or sometimes they have multiple locks in them. So it's like the more you pay for a SSL certificate, the better it is going to be, and it's going to encrypt the like the encrypt the website much more and much more. It will be difficult to decrypt the data that is being sent. So it's like the security stuff only. But if you are just looking for a simple SSL certificate, and you are not there is no need of getting into the paid SSL certificate in beginning. So just go for free SSL certificate later when you feel like you are getting millions of traffic, or like something like that. In that case you can go for premium SSL certificate as well. So there are these reasons that's why we do not do this. So right now I'm just going to go for the domain name, that is system that sells. So it's probably on the next page. Yeah, so it's here, system that sells. So I will just click on issue. Now if you have any other hosting providers, like any you are buying hosting from any other host, the process will be simple, but you will always be able to like find a simple explanation about that. Like if I want to install free SSL on in Hostinger, maybe a lot of people go for Hostinger for its cheap price. So you will be easily able to find the video tutorial on that. So I cannot cover all the hosting providers right now. Okay, so you will always find that option. So right now I will just go for Let's Encrypt, and here you can see that like there are a lot of things here. What I need to do is I need to just uncheck all of these, and yeah, I can turn this on, and I can turn this one on. So to turn this on you need to switch to DNS mode, and here you can turn this on. Now here the methods of verification, these are the methods of verification. In the HTTP method, they will just verify your like main domain, like main website called system.sells.com, and like https system.sells.com. So that is like they are going to do in that case. But when you choose DNS, they are going to verify your whole domain and all the domains, or uh, all the domains, or everything that you create using your domain, like the subdomains. For example, I am going to create blog.system.sells.com. So if you like if you go for HTTP version, in that case you will not get the SSL certificate for that. But if you get for DNS, if you go for DNS option, in that case all of your subdomains will be covered in this thing. So make sure if you go for if you have the DNS option, you can go for this Wildcraft SSL certificate. So I will just click on issue after this, and now we will be able to get the SSL certificate. Now a lot of times you may see errors here, so in that case just wait, because you have just updated your name servers, and they may not be yet like updated in the all of the places. So just wait for, in that case, if you are feeling any errors, you can also contact supports, or you can ask questions in the comment box below. So now if I go to the SSL section here, normal SSL tab, here if I go to manage SSL sites, I will be able to find that my SSL certificate is installed. So let's just see. And so here I have a bunch of domains. So here you can see that we have system.sells.com. So the if you see the like the green padlock icon, it means that the SSL is installed successfully. Now ignore these two subdomains that are of the draftdigital.com. So they are generated automatically if you are, this is not your primary domain. So yeah, you can see like the SSL is installed. Now if you want to make sure that your SSL is working or not, you have to go to sslshopper.com. I will link that in the description as well. And here you have to scroll down and enter the domain name. So my domain is system.sells.com. So I will just click on check SSL. So now it's going to tell me if my SSL is installed properly or not, if my SSL is like working or not. So here you can see if everything is green, it means that your SSL is working, and that's the time when you can go next. If there are some errors here, make sure you fix the errors. After that only you go ahead. So that's how you can install a SSL certificate, and you can always go for a premium SSL certificate. You will be able to like buy from any kind of like you can even buy for your own hosting like Fast Comet. You can go for Cloudflare. You can go for there is one company called Komodo. So here also you can get SSL certificates. So that all depends, like where you can go for SSL certificate from anywhere out there. Now that's all in today's lesson. We have our SSL certificate installed. I will just go to system.sells.com, and right now you can see that the padlock icon is not working, but if I go with the HTTPS version, you will see the padlock icon working. Now before installing WordPress, I'm going to share what you needs to do. So let's continue in the next lesson. Bye bye.